What's a KPI? KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator, which stands for a way to see if you're progressing towards your goals. A KPI isn't a goal. It's a way to monitor your progress towards the goals that you've already set. It's a great way to show where gaps are, where more attention is needed, or where the team or individual excels. KPIs are used at every level in an organization. The company as a whole, teams, and individuals can all benefit from using KPIs. You don't want to set goals and say, we'll get this project done in 3 months, and not check in on it until the deadline. That would be nuts. Let's use a real-life example. One of our goals for CC Studios today is to film all of our What's What videos in an hour, which means we need to film one video every 15 minutes, which means I do not have time to explain this at all. Cut to the next scene! Back to KPIs. KPIs help you track so that you can see if there's anything your team's struggling with or really excelling at so that you can adjust your goals accordingly. KPIs ensure that you're being as efficient as possible and that you'll actually be able to meet your deadline. Let's walk through some examples. In the sales or financial industry, a KPI could be conversion rates, monthly sales growth, or net profit margin. In project management roles, your KPIs might be planned hours of work versus actual hours of work, or the % of overdue project tasks. If you're in the healthcare industry, your KPIs might be things like staff-to-patient ratio or patient wait time. If you're in an operational role, you're probably focused on KPIs like mean time to recover or disruption impact. KPIs are relevant in every role and every industry. It's up to you to set them. Oh, finished the video right on time. Looks like this girl's on track to meet her video goals, which also means it's pastry time.